All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill, and I do appreciate it. I'm here, yes, because we have an unboxing today. As I said, I'm committing to an every other day upload schedule, so we're going to keep it going. Every other day, we're going to have a new video. We have new stuff to unbox. I have been kind of backed up, to be completely honest with you, and I just haven't really gotten to everything, so I'm trying to get all that stuff cranked out. I want to remind you, we do have a giveaway going on, okay? We are giving away this particular Wolf watch winder. We're also giving away an automatic watch that I will disclose on 1/1/21. If you want to be a part of that, if you want to enter to win the Wolf watch winder here and also win the automatic watch that will come with it, you can go ahead and do 3 things to enter real quick. Follow this YouTube channel, so hit the follow button on this YouTube channel, subscribe. My Instagram will be down below in the description section. Follow us on Instagram, okay? And then last but not least, go to the link that is going to be down in the description box and enter your email address. That's how I will reach out and contact you, okay? So those 3 things, like I said, follow us here, follow us on Instagram, and then also, like I said, I will reach out and contact you through your email address at the link provided in the description box, okay? Keep in mind, I am not going to send you any spam. You're not going to hear from me unless you win, okay? And I'm essentially going to go ahead and upload the video on 1/1/21. Well, I will, in real time, I'll go ahead and use the software that I'm using to draw the name or the email. Don't worry, I'm not going to put the email out. I will block, most of it so they can't tell who you are, but you'll know if you've won by watching this video, and also you'll get my email. So we'll do that all live, okay? Let's get into the unboxing. So I got a watch. This particular one is from WatchGame.com. This is from their watch wheel. It's from the cheapest tier, okay? And we've actually had a watch sent out by this brand already, okay? So this is the second one that I've received from this brand. So I received a black tier watch from the same brand a couple months ago. So this is a little bit cheaper offering, but we're going to see what it entails, okay? Let me get things ready here. And I will say real quick, right before I dive in terms of my wristwatch check and what I'm wearing today, I am wearing the Hamilton Khaki Navy sub, so again, I'm wearing I'm wearing this watch again. I've kind of been wearing this one a lot lately, so we'll see. Well, I don't know. It's just been my go-to recently. So Hamilton Khaki Navy sub. That's what we've got on this fine Saturday here. So, and then one last thing. There's always someone that asks me what I'm drinking. This is a Red Bull. So we're having our morning Red Bull as I'm about to open up here. Okay, let's get into it. So this is the Shield. Okay, and we had a Shield before, if you remember. This did come, like I said, it came in the same box, but it was a black tier watch, is what it was. So it was a $99 offering. This one, again, was about $50 to get into, and we'll jump right in. So this is it here. Typical box. Like I said, this is definitely a paper. It's a paper box. And it does have the Shield card in here, which is a nice card, heavyweight. So that's your warranty information, that sort of thing. And I'll remind you, Shield, in terms of the brand, they were positioning themselves, when I went to their website anyway, as kind of a go-to watch brand for people that do some kind of active work. It definitely called out military, police officers, first responders, firefighters, that sort of thing. So, I guess just Shield, I guess people who protect or people who serve, that kind of thing, was kind of the vibe that they had going on there in terms of, some of the advertisements and things that were on the website, some of the explanation in terms of what the brand is and who they stand for. So, I mean, listen, that's interesting, but let's get into it here. So the last one we had was the Exley. It was the Exley watch. This particular one, I believe, is the Abyss. Okay, and let's go right into it. So as you see here, it looks not unlike a lot of other watches that we've seen at the same price point here. So it's clearly, kind of just a generic diver or sub homage. I do kind of like the indices here. They're kind of Aquaterra like. So that's at least interesting. This is stainless steel. This is obviously not a ceramic bezel at this particular price point. This is a quartz watch. It's a Swiss quartz movement. That's what they got in. That's what they have in here. And then, as you can see, it does have that bright royal blue dial with a bit of with the sunburst going on, and the hand is actually a yellow. So in terms of the color combination, I actually really do like that. It kind of reminds me of, I believe there's a Zodiac that's kind of a blue dial like this with a yellow hand. So in terms of the color combination, I think they're in good company. And in terms of the bracelet, it is your typical brushed with the polish down the middle. You do have the clasp here, which does say shield there. Let's see. Okay, so that's your normal cheap clasp for $50. Or, in terms of that, just that there. But this fold over is nice, I will say. It does feel pretty strong. Let's see here. Does this rotate? Okay, you do have a rotating bezel. So it does have a rotating bezel, and what I'm curious of is whether or not this has a screw down crown. So let's take this off here, the stopper. And we'll push that in. Okay, so it looks like this actually does have a screw down crown. So I'm going to be interested to see when I go to the website here, which I do have pulled up. If I can get it to screw down here. Bear with me 1 second, guys. There we go. I'm curious as to what the water resistance rating is because it does have a screw down crown. I'm surprised, just kind of at this extremely cheap price point here. So as you can see, they've got the Shield logo etched into the back there. But overall, I mean, it doesn't feel too bad. Let's throw it on the wrist here and see, what it looks like on the wrist. And then we'll play the game, guess the case size. So my wrists are roughly 8¼ inch. Give me 1 second here as I go off camera. Let me snap that up here. Here we go. And I probably could just wear this with just a few micro adjustments. But here it is in all its glory on the wrist. Honestly, I will say, as a knockaround watch, I really don't think it's too bad. I don't know. I mean, I like to have a nice, stylish knockaround watch. Why not? So screw down crown, so it's a little bit capable here. We'll check out the actual water resistance rating on this. It got the Shield logo right there in the middle. Is that, let's see here. I was trying to see if that's printed on. I believe it is. The Shield on the dial is printed on there. Let's see here. The hands are definitely applied, but it looks like the Shield on the dial is printed on. But overall, I mean, listen, $50, it's not too bad of a piece in terms of something you're going to wear and not care about. Yeah, not at all. Not at all. So let's take a look at the website and we'll see the specs in terms of what this actually entails. And real quick, as I get my phone ready here, shout out to the guy that said he was cool with some tech unboxings. So I might try to squeeze in some tech unboxings. Like I said, on this channel, it's watches, tech, everything is what it says on my banner, because I am into watches, tech, and a little bit of everything. This is the OnePlus Nord that I recently got. It's all fingerprinting. This is the OnePlus Nord that I recently got. And I've got it all set up here. I was just kind of debating whether or not I should unbox this Nord on the channel. And he let me know, I guess, someone reached out to me, let me know, yeah, they would be cool watching some tech unboxings or a couple more tech unboxings. So maybe I will have those come down the pipeline here. Now, in terms of the website, I've got it pulled up here. It's ready to go. This is the Shield, and this is going to be the Abyss. So Shield Abyss, let's see here, bracelet watch, and the color is just blue. So they didn't come up with like some indigo, azul, it's just blue, okay? So listen, you got the glamour shots. Listen, I really think that yellow hand really pops on it though, to be honest with you, for this complete beater here. Shield Abyss, bracelet watch, blue. Let's see here. Let's go down here. There's all the other color variations in terms of what you can get with it. Looks like they got a black. Oh, that's actually kind of striking. Let me see that. I kind of want to see what this looks like here. There we go. See, it gives the blue, navy, kind of a navy blue with the gray with the yellow hand. That's not too, that's actually pretty good looking. Like I said, I do like this kind of Aquaterra indices going on there. But let's come down and let's look at the specifications, okay? Description, here we go. as you can see, this isn't going to be anything crazy, but we've got the 314L. Let me see if I can get the focus here. 314L stainless steel. Let's see here. So we do have a Japanese quartz movement mineral crystal. So it does have a Miyota movement mineral crystal. Mineral crystal. Let's see. Luminous hands, 43 millimeter diameter. Let me know if that's what you guessed in the comment section below. Let's see. Solid logo, engraved stainless steel clasp. All right, 304L, surgical quality. Let's see here. Stainless steel bracelet. Crown protected case design. Let's see here. And it looks like we got 20 ATM in terms of the water resistance. Professional deep diving approved. So in terms of, it's diving ability. I mean, it's not, for this price point, I honestly don't think it's too bad. I think the yellow hand really does pop on this style. So it's not too bad looking. Not too bad looking of a piece for $50. So let me know what you think, guys. Is this a watch that you would wear? Drop that in the comment section below. Keep in mind, this is from watchgang.com. It's from their cheapest tier. And it was about $50 to get into. So, and then real quick, I want to say before I get out of here, I think 25% of the people that watch are subscribed. From my notifications, or from my analytics rather, 75 or so percent are not. If you can hear me, like I said, be the cool guy. Stick around, hit that subscribe button. We do have the giveaways going on. We are sending out this wolf watchwinder to one lucky viewer. It looks like we're at about 90 entries or so, so it's still anybody's ball game. Like I said, jump on in. 3 ways. Follow this channel, okay? There's 3 steps. Follow this channel, follow us on Instagram, and then also go to the link in the comment section below and drop your email address. I'm not going to email you unless you win, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for stopping in. I'll be hanging out in the comment section to read all your comments diligently. And this has been Unbox and Chill signing out, guys. Thanks.